From Actionable Ops, here's how to use Tool Search with Hermes. It uses progressive disclosure to keep large tool catalogs from eating your context window. Tool Search brings progressive disclosure to large tool catalogs. It reduces context window usage by deferring tool schemas until they are actually needed. Here is how it works. When Tool Search is active, your MCP and plugin tools are replaced by 3 bridge tools: tool_search, tool_describe, and tool_call. You activate it in your config. Under Tools, set tool_search enabled to auto, on or off. Auto is the default. You can also set threshold %, search default limit, and max search limit. In auto mode, Tool Search activates when the deferrable tool schemas would consume at least 10% of your context window. The key settings are enabled, which is auto, on or off, threshold %, the percentage of context, search default limit, the hits returned by default, and max search limit, the hard upper bound. Consider the trade-offs before turning it on. Tool Search trades a fixed per-turn token cost and extra round trips for savings on the deferred schemas. A note on the implementation: it uses BM25 retrieval over tokenized tool names. The catalog is stateless across turns and scoped to the session's toolsets. See tools/tool_search.py for the implementation and the test file for the regression suite. Tool Search helps you manage large tool catalogs efficiently. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.